Hey, what's going on guys, I'm Ryan, welcome back to another video, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic. In this video, let's have a look at this Divoom DITOO, a pixel art display and a portable speaker. It comes in this small box and straight away on the back of the box you can see here 10 watts audio power, pixel art creation, smart alarm, sleep aid, online gallery, DJ mixer, internet radio station, social media notification, 3000 mAh battery. Basically it's a retro look-alike computer with mechanical keys and it's a Bluetooth speaker. It has a small screen that will display some pixel art and some other nice information. Let's have a look at it. I'm going to try to show you the best I can. And guys, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. Thank you very much for your support. Okay, so inside the box we can find some nice colorful stickers. There's also a user manual, a charging cable, USB Type-C, and of course the unit itself, the Divoom DITOO. Mechanical keys. Listen to the sound of this, guys. Old style mechanical keys. There's also this lever. Let's remove all these plastics. I picked the light blue. I think it's really nice, but you can get this unit in different colors. Looking at the speaker itself, so you have the 6 mechanical keys, the small lever. On this side you have the micro SD card slot, on-off button, and the USB charging port. On the back there's this bass ports for better sound, and on this side nothing. Let me just remove this plastic film. On the top of the unit there's the speaker grill. Okay, let's turn it on. And you get an animation. You get different ones every time you turn it on from my experience. And you get this Bluetooth symbol. It will connect to your phone via Bluetooth 5.0. So with these mechanical keys you can operate the Bluetooth speaker itself, or you can use the app for that and much more. I'll show you that in a minute. So here you can see I'm going through the menus using the arrows on the keyboard. Backlit, in this case you can turn off the light if you wish to. Let me just show you the menus itself. So you select the menu you want to go, and with the lever just press it down and you are in. In this case we're going to play some games. Let me just show you. So this is Tetris. There's also some sort of slot machine. Yeah, you get the idea. I'm not going to show you everything. I think it's a nice thing to try when you get your own. There's plenty of stuff I keep finding, for example, in this tools menu. So there's the date, decibel meter for some reason. Hello? Hello? All right. There's timers, alarms, etc. On the main display, there's the clock, there's colors, there's any other type of animations that you can personalize and choose with different themes or collections. For example, you have the hot, you have the cool, for example we have the holidays, and inside each one there's different animations, if that makes any sense. Let me just show you what I mean by speeding the video up for you guys. And there's plenty more. I don't want to be a spoiler, so I'll let you guys try if you get one of these. The display, if you want to change the brightness, you can do it using the arrows left or right. Same with the volume up or down. I keep learning new stuff. For example, when you're on the clock, if you press that key, you can go through different displays. Yeah guys, it's quite nice. I'm going to show you the app really quick as well. So after you pair the unit with your phone via Bluetooth like you normally do with any other speaker, using the Divoom app you'll be able to choose different animations to send to your DITOO unit, for example, or you can do some live drawings on your phone and they will appear on your unit as well. Pretty nice stuff. Inside the discovery menu, there's a lot of stuff that you can play with, for example DJ Mixer, where you can create your own tunes. The sound you listen now is from the speaker itself. Or if mixing is not your thing, like me, you can play the piano. Inside the app you can also play the games directly there on your phone, for example, or even personalize what we'll see on your DITOO display. Alongside, for example, with the clock, the weather outside, temperature, calendar, and last, the animation. Yeah guys, there's a lot of stuff you can do with this DITOO. I think it do a nice table-side companion, and the sound of the speaker, to be honest with you guys, it's surprisingly good for the size of the unit. Let me just show you this really quick. So the sound you're listening now is from the Bluetooth speaker. That's it, no editing. This is from the unit, guys. So far I'm really enjoying this DITOO. For some reason it does make me happy. The sound quality, it's surprisingly good, so thumbs up for that. I'm going to leave a link down below so you guys can check it out. You'll see it more often on my videos on the background, that's for sure. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button, and please guys don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. I'm gonna leave you with the song playing. Thank you very much for watching guys, stay safe, and hope I can see you all in the next one.